Namaskar learners, this is a question on algebra, linear equations in two variables and HOTS type. The question says, let Akbar and Birbal together have n marbles. In total, n is greater than 0. Obviously, number of anything, any natural thing can't be less than 0 or 0 even. Akbar says Birbal, if I give you some marbles, then you will have twice as many marbles as I will have. Birbal says, if I give you some marbles, then you will have thrice as many marbles as I will have. Then what is the minimum possible value of n for the statement true? Means that what can be the value of n that can make the statement true? N is the number of marbles with Birbal plus the number of marbles with Akbar. So let us consider by the first situation, that is, let Akbar has X and Birbal has Y marbles. Birbal has Y marbles, so I am writing this below to it so that to save space even. Birbal has Y marbles. First situation says कि if Akbar gives some marbles, some is not defined here, how much? So let Akbar gives A marbles. When Akbar is giving A marbles, so obviously the marbles with Akbar will be X minus A, and that with Birbal will become Y plus A. So marbles with Akbar X minus A and marbles with Birbal will become Y plus A. Now what is said, if I give you some marbles, then you will have twice as many marbles as I have. Means that this is the number of marbles twice to that. We can write here 2 times X minus A is this one. In linear equations, wherever we are going to solve the linear equations, I have explained in some of my videos, for the word is, will be, will become, shall be, was, been, we are using an equality sign, and then condition also over there. So it says Birbal will have twice as many marbles as Akbar will have. Akbar have only X minus A marbles left, so twice of the marbles of Akbar is now the marbles with Birbal. So we can expand it, that is 2x minus 2a, that is equal to y plus a, means that 2x minus y is coming to be 3. 2x minus y will become 3. Okay. Say this is equation number 1. Now come on the next condition. Next condition says, Birbal says, if I give you some marbles, again some word is not defined. Some word not defined, so we can write here, let Birbal gives B marbles. It is not sure how many marbles were given by Akbar. Same number of the marble is being given by Birbal also. So we can consider the another variable for B, for the marbles given by Birbal. Now let's see. In this case, when Birbal will give B marbles, so he will have Y minus B marbles left with him, and Akbar will have X plus B marbles with him. Now it is said, you will have thrice as many marbles as I will have. Means Akbar will have 3 times the marbles with Birbal. Akbar will have 3 times the marble with Birbal. Read the question carefully. And you are advised in exam, any exam you are going to appear, I am always advising you people to give much time on reading than in doing. First of all, you must make the concept clear, what is given and what is the demand. Both of them must be running in your mind, just like the toffees run in the mind of a child. Okay. So now as this is also to be expanded on. Now x plus b will be 3y minus 3b it means x minus 3y is coming to be minus 4b. This is coming to be equation number 2. It is equation number 2. Now we'll come on the next. Next step is to solve it. So any method you can apply for solving. Better is that to use here elimination method to solve it. So to eliminate y or x from it, so I am going to eliminate x. Eliminating x, to eliminate x, we need to have the value of x, I think in equation 2 to be multiplied by 2, so that hereby also can come to be the coefficient of x to be 2. So we'll take here equation number 1 minus equation number 2 multiplied by 2. So we'll get here 2x, nothing to be done with equation number 1, is equal to 3a, and here it is 2x minus 6y, that is equal to minus 8b. Add them, subtracting them, sign changed, again changed, we have what, 5y, that is coming to be equal to 5y is coming to be equal to 3a plus 8b. 5y, then y will become 3a plus 8b upon 5. Get it as the value of y and just save it for the next purpose. Now we want to get the value of x also. Now we'll put the value of y in either of the equations to get the value of x. So I'm going to take the equation number 2 for that purpose. So from 2 we have x minus 3y, that is minus 4b. X minus 3 into value of y is here by 3a plus 8b upon 5 is equal to minus 4b. So x minus, it is now 9a plus 24b upon 5 is equal to minus 4b. Okay, equal to minus 4b. Now okay, now x is equal to minus 4b plus, this whole block will be shifted from left to right. The whole block is negative, that will be shifted in the right hand side to become positive. So we'll get 9a plus 24b upon 5. Take LCM, so minus 20b plus 9a plus 24b upon 5, that is coming to be 9a plus 4b upon 5. 9a plus 4b upon 5. Now we have to get the total number of the marbles with Akbar and Birbal. Ultimately we want to get x plus y, that is representing n. So x plus y, now we would like to collect here x plus y, that is equal to 9a plus 4b upon 5 plus 3a plus 8b upon 5. 3a plus 8b upon 5. So it is coming as 12a plus 12b upon 5. 12 can be taken out common, so a plus b in the bracket upon 5. Now learners, very important to think on it. It is very important to think on it. Number of marbles. So a plus b can't be negative. One thing, a plus b can't be negative. Number of marbles. So x plus y can't be fractional. Take care. X plus y can't be fractional, can't be negative. Better is that we should be focused on the word fractional. So if x plus y is not fractional, then right hand side is also not fractional. Again, the least value of n means that we want to get the least value of x plus y. So what can be the value of x plus y as least? For the least value of x plus y, I think a plus b must be divisible by 5 and by least quotient. A plus b is to be divisible by 5 but by least quotient. In other words, we can get a plus b as 2 as 10 also. 5 2s are 10. It is divisible but not least. Below 10 also there is a number which can be cancelled by 5. So we'll write here x plus y. Therefore a plus b is equal to 5 for least value of x plus y. Okay, therefore x plus y is 12. That's the answer. Means that n is equal to 12. Now n is equal to 12 over here. That's all for this question. And try to understand. Sometimes you have to go by hit and trial also. If it is asked from you, what is the value, what is the number of the marbles with Birbal and what is that with Akbar? So we have to go with little bit reasoning. That is, x plus y is 12. So if x is 1 then y is 11, x is 2 then y is 10 and so on. So ultimately we will come to know about it कि x is 7 and y is 5. Ultimately, because condition also to be satisfied, if x is 7 and y is 5. Now again, if we have considered x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 5. Actually at this step we have to go with reasoning. So different set of the values of x and y is to be considered. Which one is going to satisfy the both are the equations, then that value of x and y will be considered. Let's see, if x is 7 and y is 5, then we have to suppose for a and b also. Let's see, if x is 7 and means that Akbar gives 3 marbles to Birbal. So Akbar will have I think 7 minus 3 and Birbal is having 5 marbles. So hereby it will become 5 plus 3. So hereby it will be left 4 and it will reach to 8. It means now the marbles with Birbal are twice to the marbles left with Akbar. Conversely, in the next statement, when Birbal gives, say, only if Birbal gives 2 marbles to Akbar, in that case, since Akbar is having already 7 marbles, then he will get 7 plus 2 marbles. And Birbal has 5 marbles, his marbles will be left there by 3. So it is now 9 and it is now 3. So it is 3 times to that of Birbal. Akbar is now having 3 times to that of Birbal. Hereby Birbal was having 2 times to that of Akbar. When Akbar gives, Birbal becomes twice. When Birbal gives, Akbar becomes thrice. So that's all for this question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If there is any problem or any confusion or any improvement required, please feel free to write in comment box. I would like to remove that flaw also. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching this video.